Hey y'all, it's Jen, and it's been a little while, so I wanted to give you a quick tour. I've been real busy getting ready for my plant sale in April, but I wanted to give you an update on my garden, so let's go. Okay, so here's my greenhouse currently. I have placed a shade cloth over top because this is where I'm going to have my tomatoes this summer. So these are tomato plants, and yep, that's an herb bowl. These I'll be selling at my plant sale. There are 4 different herbs in there. I just up potted them so they're kind of weak looking, but they'll strengthen up in a little bit. These are flowers. Sunflowers kind of lean over when the sun's not out, so I didn't know that. But more tomatoes. Cucumber plants, squash plants, more tomatoes. So in a few days, someone's gonna come and redo my yard for build me some raised beds. So, but let me show you my beets and my carrots. So here are my carrots. They're looking nice. And these are my beets. And these are sown, they're multi-sowed. There is a weed. That there is a weed. It's a wonder how they can just grow so fast. Okay. These are my elephant garlic and my regular garlic. And my regular garlic is taller than my elephant garlic, but and these are some onions that I planted last fall. Once again, weed. The guy came and cut my grass. And this is why I don't want any grass back here. I really want to get no grass back here where my garden is, because when the guy comes and cuts the grass, I'm trying to do that with one hand, y'all. These weeds get in there because he blows the grass. These are, remember my Swiss chard that were laying flat? Well, here they are now, and they're doing well. Weeds are trying to live. But those are my Swiss chard, and these are the rest of them. And this is my spinach. So I've already started a lot of plants, and just to show you guys, I don't know if you can see up here, those are Brussels sprouts. Those are collards. I'm gonna have to up pot those collards, and these are so pretty. Purple cabbage. These are bright lights kale. More collards. And these are my green boxes that I'm starting. So the kale came up first, but it's going to be kale, then it's going to be spinach, and then it's going to be lettuce. And here's some more of my herb boxes. So that's basically it. So what the problem with my yard is that I have a slope. This is my slope, and last year what I did is I took pallets. That's very messy, guys. I took pallets and I made like a level. Well, I have a landscaper that's going to dig out a flat space and build me some waist high beds. And he's gonna put 2 there, and then he's gonna put 2 where the waist high ones where the onion beds were, and then he's gonna put 2 in the ground right there where the what's the room called, the greenhouse. So I did want to show you guys my indoor grow area, and I want to show y'all my eggplant. Look, and I have a bud on it. Woo, see? So that's my black beauty. So those are my eggplants. These are my various bush beans that are going to go in my bean tower. These are peppers that I'm going to up pot. Some tomatoes, calendula, and some peppers, bunch of bell peppers. And back there you see my, it's either squash or cucumbers. I don't remember what those are. And these are a bunch of tomatoes that I'm going to up pot. Because when you up pot them, they grow fast. And these are my... Oh, that's my battery, y'all. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to try to kick back into gear with my videos since it's getting where people want to garden. But I've been working. I just haven't been videoing because it's a lot going on. So like, share, and subscribe if you feel these videos could be helpful. And I will grow with you guys later. Bye.